Okay guys, and we are back. Stressing out over here a little bit, guys. Stressing out a little bit over here. Still waiting for an answer from Discord to see what's going on with MotiveWave. In the let's see if we can fix this now. Our P&L should be updating momentarily. Very crazy what's going on right now, guys. Wish I could be here trading with you, but unfortunately I cannot at this moment because I'm trying to figure out the madness right now that is our MotiveWave. I know there's no one here right now at this moment, but we're trying to fix things. Also, if you guys do jump on here, please let me know about the lag. See if we have a lag here. MotiveWave is still going bonkers on us. It is still going bonkers. Not loading anything. We're gonna have to give this thing a rest. Let's see if we got an answer here in Discord. Still haven't gotten an answer. Still haven't gotten an answer yet on Discord about what is going on with MotiveWave. Seems like a lot of people are having problems though today. Looks like it's a rhythmic issue. Still waiting for them to get to me. Alright. What is going on, Orange One? I don't know if you were here for that madness that we just experienced, but we're having some technical issues here with our MotiveWave. We tried to take profits on our 20 FTT accounts and it did absolutely nothing, just pinwheeled. Meanwhile, we were bouncing in and out of profits, and then we had to log in manually with our cell phone and close out 20 accounts one by one. So this is not even disconnecting. There is a problem going on with Rhythmic, I would assume. That would be safe to say. So we cannot even quit. Well, look at this. Yeah, I can't even. This is embarrassing. We're going to have to go back to this screen, hang out here, because there's no point in having the other screen. Yeah, we'll keep it, whatever. No, maybe not. We'll just leave it like this. All right. Let's see if we can force quit MotiveWave. If MotiveWave is still up. I think we did close out of it finally. Let's see if we can get it to work now. Yeah, it seems like everyone's having problems with Rhythmic right now at this moment. I don't know if I close out. We back? Everything good now? I don't know, Crown. Tell me, do we still have that same lag? Because Motive Wave doesn't seem to be working. Seems like we got some major Rhythmic issues. Other people are reporting the same thing right now. So we may have to focus on our Webull account for now. Not a big deal though. We did miss out on this whole dump here, which could have been a nice healthy profit for us. But we'll make it up. You're at 1107? Yeah, I'm at 1107 right now too. Is your price right now at 20,699? 669? Sorry. 669. 1 minute left in the candle. 1 minute left, or there's a new candle. Cool. All right. So it looks like the lag part is out of here. We're done with that lag. And right now, we're just waiting to see if we can get a response from... Let's see if we get a response from FTT on our issues. Copy trading. Oh, here we go. A quick heads up to everybody using copy trading and Motive Wave. Use the flatten all option when copy trading very carefully or not at all. Instead of actually flattening my open positions, it reversed them. Wow. And that at a multiple because it hit like 3 times to get out. By the time I went to our trader, the damage is already done. Did anyone else experience a similar issue with it? I did some research and this issue seems to be quite common as Motive Wave users forums are mentioning it repeatedly, or was it a general Rhythmic issue, maybe because devs were working on it a lot right now. Yeah, so we're gonna leave Motive Wave alone for the rest of the day, guys. We're gonna leave that puppy alone, and hopefully somebody responds to us because I still haven't gotten a response on my dilemma here. Short is looking still pretty good here. Short's looking pretty good. So we're just gonna focus on what we can control. Take a deep breath right now and calm myself down a bit. I owe Crown 50 push-ups. So I gotta hit those. Thank God I didn't take 20 L's. All right, let's hit those push-ups. All right. Fifty push-ups. Done. Count those. Took a $500 loss. Yo, dude, you took a $500 loss, Crown? How did you do that? How the hell did you do that, bro? Did you take the short at the wrong time? Holy moly. We gotta get you back in the green, bud. I'll be right back. And we're back. All right, but it looks like we have a short lining up. Hopefully we have this short opportunity lining up right now. And hopefully it does not escape us as we are 6. Ooh, it's an ugly number. Looks like we'd like to take something from here. Could be a good place to look for short. Ooh, shorted after it closed under that box. Not sure what box you're referring to. 688 is the value area high of the range, probably a little resistance here, and at 720. 688. So 688 being right around here. Looks like our high volume node right now is at 664. Exactly where we are right now. Could lead to a bit of a dump ski right now. I'd like to take a stab at this short. See what happens here. VR climbed up to meet. That was my takeaway. That's my takeaway. Victor's still looking at this market as being very strong. Crown's looking for his next chance at getting even with this market. And I am just trying to catch up, trying to get my head back in the game. See what we could possibly be brewing here. On a 12-minute, this looks like a possible area of support here. This is buyers were strong in here. Okay, buyers are strong in here. Buyers look like they're getting strong right now. We could be getting a rejection from either here, all the way up to 680 or 688. I think, like Victor said, because that was last week's high. And we did have some resistance here. This market is looking rather strong still. So you were going to take a 50-point scalp. 50 tick scalp, maybe if that's a scalp. 50 point would be a huge move from 620. Good for you, brother. That would have been a good entry. So it looks like we might be getting some more uppity up here. So still looking a bit strong. Could be a bit strong still. Got to keep an eye on what happens here next. It looks strong and weak at the same time. Trying to see if anybody responded to me here yet. Okay. This move's still kind of moving. And if you're still there at 10, congratulations on your daily profit target. Still haven't gotten a response back. I mean, they're responding to a lot of people right now, so I'm guessing there's issues. We're literally in between anchored VWAP from the top and the bottom of the range. Yeah. Let me try to get my head back in the game here, guys. Sorry about that. Where's your anchored VWAP from, Victor? Is it a time? What time did you start your anchored VWAP at? The daily open? Looks like this move is getting some strength, quite possibly. That was a bit of an S show that we had a little while ago. Very disappointed in whatever technology is powering Motive Wave today that's failing. Anchored from 12:32 Eastern Daylight Time, 10:32 Eastern. We're Eastern Standard Time or Eastern Daily Time. That's fine. Same thing. What's at 10:32? 10:32 or 10:23? 10:23 would be. Okay, so you took it from the top. You took it from the top here. It's getting that little pumpity pump, guys. Little pumpity pump. Remember what I said about the 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. It's working out here. One, two, three. This one's a little deceiving because this candle was bullish. This one was a bit bearish, but there's so much buying pressure here that this candle could have been an entry. Still seeing resistance here though. So you took your anchored VWAP from the high, not from the low. And 1049. You've got a very interesting way, very technical way of trading, Victor. I'm gonna have to have you on one day on Zoom. Share your chart with us. I was talking to Tang TV about that too. He's a really good trader. He sets up some really good TA. You're good, brother. Victor, you don't have to apologize for anything, man. Your English is perfect. Do you speak English? I'm sure you speak English as well. You're understanding what I'm saying, so. But your English handwriting is better than most Americans. Yeah, we're gonna have to connect outside of here, man. Sure, we could all learn from your TA. So you're thinking we get more upside from here, Victor? You think today is going to be one of those trend days and we're just taking a little bit of a pit stop right now? Okay, so you got two anchored VWAPs, one from the top and one from the bottom. So let's try that. Let's try the anchored VWAP like you have it. Let's see if I can find an anchored VWAP. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take the EMAs off for a little while. And then you've got yourself an anchored VWAP from the bottom. So is what you're saying, you basically built yourself a little channel here, almost like a Bollinger Band. Is that correct? You try not to have a bias, but that's what it's looking like to you. So you've got yourself two anchored VWAPs, one from the top. I like to see how this works out. So this kind of works, you kind of use this as a channel, almost like a moving channel. And you got the bottom one here telling you where it's underpriced, and you got the top here telling you when it's oversold. What if we ran an anchored VWAP from the bottom of this to here, and then we got, okay, value weighted average price. Let's try from here. Okay. Yeah, these don't help too much. But these local anchored VWAPs that you're putting together here look pretty good. So here it would have worked out in your favor if you're scalping, because you're taking shorts from anything outside the VWAP, and you're taking profits at the bottom range VWAP, and you're taking longs from the bottom range, from the lower bounds of the VWAP all the way to the top. So that's a good scalping strategy. It's pretty cool, man. Still haven't responded to me. Can't even log in now. Sorry guys for the boring stream today. I'm just trying to figure out issues here with our trading platform MotiveWave. I don't know what's going on. So we're also hanging out in this, obviously we're stuck between these two anchored VWAPs like Victor was telling us, but we're also stuck here at the point of control at 2662. So that's pretty interesting. This could make for a pretty sizable break down or up. I'm keeping my eye on both. Orange one says ES is going low, but NQ not. So we have a divergence there. That could be pretty. That could end up being a pretty nasty spill for the NQ. Yeah, I think we might get a little spill, guys. Very tempted to try a short. I'm gonna try a short. I'm gonna try a short here. Try not to sweat the fact that we don't have our MotiveWave operating right now. I'm just trying to make the best of it with our Webull account. Can we smack that? Take profit? Can we smack it real quick? Don't come back up for any stop loss runs just yet. Give us a little more. Give us a little more. Give us a little more. Give us a little bit more. This price action is a bastard. We're just taking profits on that, guys. I don't have to owe you guys any more. Oh, come on. Are you going to cancel this order now? Oh my God. What is going on with all of my trading things over here? Come on, man. Are you serious? You got to be kidding me. Yo, guys, I don't know what is going on. Futures trading. Let me see if I positions. Unlock. Luckily for us, we do have any positions. Individual. Go to futures. Positions. Orders. Orders. Working. It says we don't have any open orders. It says we don't have any open orders, but I can't close this. Orders. Day. Can I close this, please? Oh, stupid thing. All right, this has happened before. Yeah, it sucks. I don't know what's going on today. We're up $47.50 on that on the day right now, guys. Just stressing out a little bit about how our trading platforms are going completely bonkers. We should have kept our stop loss where it was before, but we are. I guess our head's not in the game today, man. Our head's not in the game. How about you guys? Victor's going to try to buy the ES at 58.78 if buyers show up. Yeah. Buyers sometimes can be pretty lazy. Sometimes they do not show up. So I don't owe you any push-ups there. So. Can't cancel that order, but at least I didn't trigger that order. That's for sure. I really like that short we just took. That would have made for a nice short on fast track too, but at the moment we can't seem to open motive wave at all. It's like motive wave is still open. I don't know what is going on here. Motive wave, I'm gonna force quit you. Oh man. Yeah guys, this has been a little bit of a disaster of a day. Good for us that we're not down on the day. I wonder if this happens to anyone else. Okay. Did buyers show up for you, bud? Looks like buyers are kind of showing up right now. Looks like buyers are kind of showing up. I'm just not sure what to make of this market, whether we got heads or tails. 1 second, guys. Back, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm just checking some messages I'm getting here. Orange 1 says no, still in selling mode. ES is going low, but NQ not. The anchored VWAP from this low I already erased. Now I'm only with the top one. So the bottom one's not helping you out anymore because that's not acting as support anymore. I see what you're doing. Why can't I erase that? Man. Object tree. So you've only got the top one. Let's see what's going on with the EMAs. Luckily for us, guys. Luckily for us, we've still made some money today. We managed to make some dough. All right, looks like this market is melting. Looks like it's melting. We're going to be testing this bottom of this wick here at 620. We'll see what happens there. Looks like we're going lower, guys. Looks like we're going lower. Might get a little bit of retracement, but maybe not. Maybe this might just dump right here. If I get a retracement, I'm interested in going into another short. This could be all she wrote. This level here is not looking good. I don't think it'll hold. We might get a little bit of retracement back up, but we could see lower. $613 and then 600. Yeah, this looks weak. $640. I'm gonna take a stab at it at around 630. Might not get a chance to get to that number, but we're gonna try. What the heck, man? What is up with these brackets? Okay. Let me keep this one tight. Okay. Where do we stop? Maybe the VWAP at 589. I'd like to see a drop down to VWAP. Definitely don't want to take an L on this, because if I do, I owe 50 more push-ups. Wish I'd be trading this right now a little heavier, to be completely honest with you. I'm going to go to break even on this, just because it's looking pretty strong. Can we hit 600 at least? I'd like to see 600. Coming back to tap me out, so then we can go lower. I'm pretty sure that's the game plan. That is exactly the game plan. I'm still interested in the short though. just maybe from a higher place. We'll see what happens here. Maybe take the short off the 8. If we can tap the 8. A lot of strength kicking in right now, though. This might make for a reversal. Let's see what this candle does. Okay, we got a tap of the 8. See how this candle closes. There was a lot of buyer absorption here. I'm going to try it again. Forgot to close that limit order out. I think VWAP is very likely. We'll play it level to level. $6.13, little stop, you said. Little stop, man. That was a monster. 20 points. Okay. We should get it this time. If he comes back up, it's just playing games with us. All right, looks like this thing wants to go up higher. Looks like it wants to go higher because we're hanging out. We're hanging out. Not really going anywhere. So looks like I'm owing 100 push-ups here. Took 2 break evens. There's a pivot at 618. Yeah. Definitely a pivot. I don't think I forgot those push-ups for 1 second, guys. I think we might still be doing something here, whether that's coming back because they took the liquidity from here. We could be coming back up. That's one option. Very likely. And it looks like maybe that's what it is. Looks like that's a possibility of what we have here. So if that's the case, 614, 624 now becomes interesting to me. 624 becomes a buy. Wow. What a crazy session, guys. What a crazy session. I'm telling you. Looks like buyers are still strong here. This could be something. This could be something. Are we getting a rejection? Or are we just getting a quick little pullback? Stop out some late longs? What is it? What is it? Which one could it be? I'm interested in as long as 624 if I can get it. Looking like it's brewing still some strength. Very strong move here still. All right. Took the liquidity from under that. We took the liquidity from under here, from under 620. So I'm thinking we go higher. See what happens here. Once we get to about 15 and 20 bucks here in profit, I'll move the break even and I'll give you guys those push-ups. Right now my take profits at 654. Okay, 654, only a couple points away. Maybe we try the top of the VWAP or the VWAP. Let's see if we can get that. Get a couple more points. Definitely the 8. Let's see if Victor's VWAP is actually something to be reckoned with. Oh, let me just close this. Let me just close that out. Because maybe I shouldn't have played around with fire. All right, we're up $63 on this account. Not bad. Victor, man, I was looking at your VWAP, getting too ambitious. Should have just taken what I had there. All right, I owe you guys 100 push-ups. Let me get started on 50 more. All right, that goes another 50. We're up to 150 on the day. I owe you guys 50 more, so that'll be 200. Ay. So Victor, do we start a new VWAP from here now? Do we throw a new anchored VWAP from here? Maybe we get the bounce from this VWAP, from the bottom VWAP? Let's see if we got any answers here for my dilemma. Still no answers. Seems like a lot of people are having problems with rhythmic. So we're not going to trade any rhythmic things today. Getting dumpy here. Didn't seem like this anchored VWAP did much. Get that out of here. Okay, looks like it's heading down to VWAP. It's not exact science, it's very subjective, but works fine to understand the fight in some areas. No, I totally agree with you, bud. I totally agree with you. I think the VWAP does give you, whether it's daily, like I keep on my screen here, or if it's anchored from a major pivot point, I think it serves its purpose really well. As you can see here on the upper bounds, if you were taking a short off of every opportunity here, you would have done well. You would have freaking killed it. So I think this works really well, man, in like a trending market. Because what if we would have hit an anchored VWAP from the open today? What would that have looked like? So an anchored VWAP from the open, you would have been bang, bounced off it right here, and it catapulted you up. Came back, touched it here, would have got you some money. Bounced off of here, close here, pierced it for the first time really significantly, which give you an indication that there's weakness. Came back up here, touched the top bound, and we lost it, heading down to VWAP. So that's the way I'm understanding it. So here, guys, in our 1 minute, we had an indication of buyers getting absorbed. Could have taken a short from here, but I was too busy looking at my support ticket, which the only thing the guy can tell me here is you shouldn't be trading 20 accounts at the same time. It's not advisable. I'm like, dude, that's not what I asked you. I asked you, is anyone reporting issues? Nope, no reports of this. Yeah. You're allowed to help, bud. You're allowed to help. What the heck am I doing? Looking like more dumpiness brewing, guys. More dumpiness brewing. Oh, and we're back. Have you resolved all your childhood trauma and motive wave, or are you still gonna give me issues? Guys, if it wouldn't be too much to ask, I know this is our second stream of the day. If you wouldn't mind touching that like button one more time. Okay. Imagine if our shorts were still open, we'd be literally printing money right now. Okay. Okay. See, we can fix our stuff now. 275. Good luck here, guys. Okay. I think we're solid now. All right, guys, sorry about all that. We had a lot of glitches this morning. A lot of issues. Don't have to worry about them now. May have to take let me see, a small trade. We've got our smallest account is up right now. Our smallest account is up 175, 160, 150, 80, 20. 20 is better than nothing. So we need 100. Okay, so let's see. Our smallest account is up 20, and our highest account is up 555. I want to keep it under 800. 800 minus 555, 245. That would put us good on this $80 one too. So 245 is like a divided by 20. It's a 12-point move. So we need 12 points. So if we try, what the heck happened? Bracket 2. Edit. Sorry guys, I'm just setting myself up right now. 40. 40. Okay. So we have 40, 40, we have 20. All right, that was pretty crazy this morning what happened. Oof. Thank you guys. I know we lost a couple of viewers here trying to get our act together. So what are we seeing right now on our screen? We're seeing down, more down. Okay, so 1, heads up. 2, we're going down. 3 could have been your entry, and we got the dump. 1, down. This was a good entry. Came down. I'm not sure if I'm just reading it the way I want to read it, but I don't know. If this VWAP serves any if the VWAP serves any weight at all, we could see a rejection off of it here. At 637. Let's see if this VWAP thing actually works for us. Tech support was garbage. I'm going to try a simulated trade. Help. Counts. Short at 640. Well, that's where the VWAP is. So I was looking at that. All right, looks like we've got a sim account on here. Okay. All right, this is a simulated account, guys. I'm just testing out the testing out the platform right now to make sure it's working properly. I just shorted Victor's VWAP, and now I'm going to. What does break even mean? I'm gonna play around with this for a sec. I think break even means the stop loss gets moved to break even. I'm gonna see if that's how it works. Victor's not trusting this VWAP. Okay, let's see if I go to break even. What does that mean? I have a close it at break even. That's what that means. Okay, so that's what that means. That's cool. Okay, so let's say if we want to buy market and we want to flatten all. Do not show me this in the future. Yes. Okay. Seems to be working properly now, guys. Seems to be working properly now. Not sure what happened. Oh no, what is happening? See if we can get our 10 points, guys. See if we can get our 10 points. Just as buyers were very strong in the whole session, so this down move can be only a pullback to push at the highs again, perhaps. Yeah, could be. Let's see. I'm just gonna keep trying a simulated platform here on Motive Wave just to play around with some of these functions, because I've never done that before. I can also close it out manually here, my position. Flatten all or close it manually. Could reverse my position too. You can see at the top of that VWAP. That's something. All right, just reverse my position to a short. Break even. Oh, that's where I. Oh, okay. So even if I close here, the account's still open. Reverse again. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm not as good of a sim trader as ICT. I'm just messing around here trying to see what these functions do, but seems like everything's working. We're gonna go back to trading our accounts. What a crazy day, guys. For real, for real. All right, let's see what we got cooking. Sorry about today's stream, guys. Today's stream was a hot mess. Hot mess today. But we're back. Try to make some money here. Still owe you guys 50 push-ups, so since nothing's happening, we're gonna hit those now. Right after this call. Okay, we're back. Sorry I didn't get a chance to do those push-ups, but I'll do them now. I'll do those push-ups now. Looks like we are trading in this channel. So let's keep an eye on this channel. All right. We're back from our 50 push-ups. We're up to 200 push-ups on the day, guys. Making up for all the bad trades we took. Since I took a trade on, I did take a trade on FTT a few minutes ago, and that one broke even. So I owe you for that one as well. So I'm gonna have to do 50 more in just a few. So I have backlog right now. 50 push-up backlog. Buyers are very strong the whole session. That's what Victor was saying. Personally, myself, I'm waiting here to see a signal where we can possibly catch 10 points. We'll be done for the day on FTT. VWAP has flattened out pretty good. Seems like we're getting a little pump right now. A little bit of a pump. You guys have any major plans for the weekend? Anything good happening over at your end or your neck of the woods? I've got the rest of today. Well, not the rest of today. I got tonight. I have available for myself because my wife's away. So I'll be doing some charting, replaying of this week's sessions, working on possibly doing, using a different streaming platform where we can stream multi-stream to other places besides just YouTube. Maybe we can get on Twitch, Twitter, and maybe even TikTok. I'm not sure. I'll see how many different platforms we could stream to. I've used a software in the past called Restream, and they stream to a whole bunch of different places. So I'm thinking this is going to be a good possibility for a short here, guys. Could be something. Could be brewing. There she goes. I like to test this. Try it here. So we're in on Webull. See what happens here. I think I'd like to try this too on FTT for a quick 10 points. See what happens here, guys. If anything, we'll just add to our push-up count. Looks like buyers were getting absorbed here at the 640. That's why I took that quick short. Hopefully we come down some. I like where my stop loss is though, so I'll leave it there. I'm gonna try this on FTT, guys, but I'm gonna keep it very tight because I don't need that much to be wrong here. 45. I got me at 46. If we're wrong, we're only out a few points. If we're right, we got our 10 points that we needed. Looks like we're gonna be wrong now. We're wrong. We're wrong here. Oh, wrong on both. Or at least wrong for now. I saw something that didn't materialize. We lost a couple points on that, not much. Yeah, we lost like 120 bucks on that. 115 bucks. That sucked. Looks like we're heading higher. Is now when we get the dump? Instead of owing you 50, guys, I owe you 150 now. All right, let's see what happens. We're getting that pump. We're getting that pump up. That's what it looks like. Could that be what she wants? Looks like we took the liquidity from here. We didn't go down to VWAP. Could we be going up? 1 minute left here to see what it wants to do. Right now it looks pretty strong though. We came back down and grabbed this liquidity and we banged up. think we risked like 5 or 6 points on the last trade on FTT, which is cool because that didn't hurt us too much. I'm approaching the point of control here at 655. 655 could have some pressure here to the buyers. This VWAP from today is not really helping me too much. Take this one out of here. Okay, that anchored VWAP up there is helping us a little more. See if maybe something happens here. Also, we have confluence with the point of control. That could be where it actually reverses from. Not looking like it will. At least everything's working properly now. All right, looks like we're pumping. We're getting some pumpage here. Getting some pumpage, guys. Okay. Don't like this one. How do we get rid of it? So we're getting that push down now. Not sure if I'm more bullish or bearish right now. Maybe a little mix of both. Very logical place for us to catch a short from. Victor's looking at 670. Taking a look at our other time frames to see what's going on here. 6 minute, looks like it had a little bit of bullish divergence at 6:30. Market looks like it wants higher. Victor's got his eye on 670. Last week's high is at 680. Quickly approaching that number now. So you guys think this was just a big bull flag, huh? That's what it's looking like. We just hit 660, 664, 662, 662. Little resistance there. I don't think for long. Okay, looks like buyers are stepping in, absorbing sellers. Everywhere between now and 670 up to 680, we have massive selling pressure. Don't think this is, I don't think we're done selling off just yet because we don't have a lot of trapped shorts. We don't have a lot of trapped shorts. I think this is a momentary move up, catch some more longs, and then come back down because I don't see a lot of trapped shorts in here, guys. I really don't. To make this kind of a move back, there's not many. We'll see. I do see plenty of trapped longs in here though. That I do see. So we may not make it back up there. Looks like right now at 667, 665, we're getting that push. That little push, that's all I needed. Would have made my siphon that I need. Okay, 665 is getting that rejection. Right around where Victor said. Looks like that's all she needed. I wish I would have got the heads up first. Give me some kind of signal here. Wow, what a dump. What a dump. Alright, so I'm looking for, yeah, well, we did have that signal here. Alright, I'm looking for a short. This candle up here signified some seller exhaustion, buyer exhaustion. And we may not get much more out of this move. That might be it. What do you think, Victor? Think we're done going up? We haven't even retested that, we haven't even retested that trend line either. I personally am going to give it a minute. See what happens here. Sellers are coming in strong here, guys. Okay, right here we're looking. I'm looking personally. I'm looking for a short if we can come back up for us. Come back up for me. 664. We'll see how it sets up. Keeping my eye on it right now. Even though it looks like it was a pretty big dump, it was probably about 20 points. It was about 20 points of a dump. This market is a little lethargic right now, right? That's usually when you get the bigger moves, though, when it slows down and then it just boom. Looks like that VWAP is acting as resistance at the moment. More likely to get trapped. That's true. That's true. Unless I see something I really like, I think you're right, because a lot of little back and forth, little gyrations, they don't make for good trading. They make for more push-ups. 20 seconds left on the 12-minute candle. If this thing closes like that, this could be a dumpity dump. There she goes. Right at the POC. Yeah. And here she comes up now. Looks like she needed to let off a little steam. Now she might be coming up. Or this may just be a bull trap here. Very likely, though, we could be getting some upside. See this madness here with this movement here. This looks like algorithmic trading. Looks like just bots coming in to grab liquidity and go. The question is, do we clean up these imbalances in here and then come back down? That is the main question. That's the main question I'm posing. All right, let's see what happens. Yeah, it looks like it's anyone's game, guys. This could be anyone's move here. Bigger time frame looks like it's still bullish though. So does the smaller time frame. This looks like it's about to curl and just take off. Yeah, lower time frame is sloping up pretty nasty like, but the CVD is not following. The volume is really not following, so we'll see. We got a heavy rejection here. I'm more inclined to think so, but we'll see. Still looks pretty bullish. I'm gonna try this short. I'm gonna try a little quick short, guys, for 10 points, see if I can get it. More than likely I'll get hurt here. Yeah, it's looking too strong. I'm just giving away my gains from this morning. Yeah, don't ask me why I took that short. Because I'm an idiot. This move is very strong. There we go. Stopping me out. Ay, ay. Tough trading today. Tough trading. Almost stopped me out. Still have a chance. More than like it's going to reverse now. Come back up for me. Come on, come on. Give us a chance. Give us a chance here. Too much buying pressure. Too much buying pressure here. That curl's nasty. This buying pressure is nasty. Buying pressure here is pretty nasty, guys. I may have to close out if I don't see what if I don't like what I'm seeing. What just happened there? All right, guys, we take that profit. Think we're looking pretty nice right now. Our lowest, we still got to trade one. We're looking pretty solid on some of these. $85 is the lowest that one of my accounts is at. Some of them are at 620, 580, 540, 520. So we're up close to like, I don't know, 8,000 on the day or something like that. Should have kept our short open though. I think we're gonna keep going lower now. Should I risk it for the biscuit? Nah, we're at the bottom of this wick. If anything, I might just trade this account. Which one is this one? I might just trade this one, this Daytona right here. That looks like it's Daytona 65. 65. 65. I gotta bring that one up. Oh, actually, I gotta bring this one up too. No, I'm okay with that one. I may trade that one too though, because it's kind of low. So I'm gonna try this one at 65. Because it's at 85 bucks. I'm gonna try that one. What the hell? Am I in trades? What the hell? Am I in trades? Why am I in trades? Flatten all, flatten all. Why am I in trades? Why am I in trades? Why am I in trades? Flatten all, flatten all. Flatten all, guys. What the hell is going on right now? Flatten all. Why is the flatten all button not available here? What the hell is going on? Flatten. Oh. Are we out on all of them? Oh my God. What the fuck is going on here? This thing entered me into a trade. I have no idea what just happened just now. I was entered into a trade. $50. I'm still in trades in some of these. 50, 67. Dude, what the hell? Yo, guys, I don't know if you've seen what the freak just happened to me. I don't know what the hell that was. I don't know what the hell that just was right now. I have no idea what just happened. I don't know if you guys are stressing with me just now, but I almost had some heart palpitations there. I have no idea what the hell we just did. I know we lost some money with all that madness. With these, oh my God. What just happened, man? I just want to know what just happened. What just happened there? If trading wasn't hard enough, we have to deal with all this stuff. Absolutely, man. I'm sorry, guys. What the hell has just happened to me? That thing just entered a trade all on its own. Okay. So 81 is our lead account. probably missed a nice short here too. I freaking missed a beautiful short. Oh my lord. That would have been an entry for me. I have no idea what just happened just now. All I know is I tried trading one account and then it ended up entering me into a trade, and I didn't even place a trade. It just, I don't know. Crazy. I don't know if you guys are watching this. I got more viewers right now watching me bumble over my trading account here than when we were actually trading. This is freaking stressful. All right, I'm gonna clear everything. Everything's been cleared. You guys saw that. Crazy. Hold on, guys. Well, I think the good news now, guys, is that we only have one account that needs to be over 125. Because I thought it was 250. It's actually 125. So we only have one account that we have to bring, and that account is 65. So we're going to try placing an order with 65 only. All right. 65 just needs like 5 or 10 points. Hopefully we got our act together now. Still owe you guys 150 push-ups. Please don't make me do any push-ups for any of those mistakes that we had on FTT. That was pretty bad. I wonder what our tally is now. 355. 355. 285 to 355. Some of these are up pretty nice. Some of these are up $675 on complete other mistakes. It's crazy. It is totally insane, totally crazy. If trading wasn't hard enough, we want to throw a monkey wrench. And Crown says he's got no read, so I'm out of the NQ. I'm sorry to hear that, brother, but it looks like we might be getting a little opportunity here for possibly another short setup. We'll see. I will keep my eye out for any. Oh yeah, we get a lot. This is a lot of chop. Wow. Down, down. Super chop. Whoa. This is super chop. This is what I missed out on? This is crazy. This is yesterday's market, guys. This was yesterday's trading. Crown's up $32 on the day or in your last one. Took a short on silver. So small, tiny win for the day. Oh, that's beautiful, brother. So you're up. You're no longer red on the day. You're no longer down 500. Yeah, we have a lag again. Wow, my lag is pretty nasty again. I hate how laggy this gets. I may have to switch PCs. I think something to do with maybe my PC is creating a nasty lag. I'm gonna do some research on how to. I'm gonna do some research on how to clean up your lag. I'm not getting the warm and fuzzies here, guys, about this market continuing to go up. We may have to come down a bit. We're up $42 on our Weeble account for the day. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to make a little more on this. see. Silver almost gave you a G, so that would have been 500. Yo, you're the man, Crown. You know what? I will tell you. My hat's off to you, dude. How you can trade different assets. I'm very skeptical about trading different assets, just because everything moves differently. But the fact that you're so versatile that you can trade different assets, that's really cool, man. Try Victor's anchored VWAP. Oh, look at that. Victor's anchored VWAP came in. Bouncing right here. Very, very nice indeed, man. Very nice indeed. Good for you, Crown. Looking like I might have skated off. I may have skated off with somewhat of a profit by accident. Man, I gotta stop second guessing myself. I gotta just take those trades, because I was looking for the short. I was like thinking the short was ready to go. I just didn't pull the trigger because I'm chicken. Not because I'm chicken. I wanted to come up a little bit. I think it'll break. I think it'll break right now. I saw this thing turning purple. I should have just took it when I saw it turning purple, because we got this 12-minute purple candle right here. And these are very strong, especially when they're at the top of a range. I don't think this is going to hold. Don't think that's going to hold at all. Dude, this morning when I had to close out 20 accounts manually on my cell phone, you guys don't even understand how my heart was literally pounding. I was so nervous, man. I was pooping bricks, as they say. That was a roller coaster ride. That was crazy. Oof. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking it did work out in our favor overall. Just this second set of like issues that we just had just now, I think that may have hurt us. That may have hurt us a bit. Yeah, I didn't think this was going to hold this time around. Man, I'm having a ton of fun though, to be honest with you guys. I'm having a ton of fun trading with you guys, for real. Couldn't have picked a better thing to do for, I don't know what to call it. My profession, a career, business, you know? Trading on YouTube, meeting some great people. Hopefully, you know, making money every day. You know, so far today has been pretty good, even though it's been pretty bad at the same time. I mean, just because it's been really crazy with our what's that called? With our platform, Motive Wave. It's been nuts. Yeah, this is gonna dump, guys. I don't expect this to hold. We may get a little bit of a retracement, but I don't expect this to hold. Don't expect it to hold at all, but because could go up higher before we come back down, because we did just sweep liquidity here. So that's going to make some people bullish. It'll come up, probably get smacked down again. A lot of trap longs in here, guys. A lot of trap longs. A lot of them. We got 217, 100, 234, 152, 121, 46, 91, 90, 119, 44, 61, 62. I mean 41. Yeah, there's a lot in here. So I don't know. I don't think we'll even come back even that much higher. If we do come up, it'll probably be just to about 647. But I don't even think. I think it just keeps going now. Gotta follow my gut on these things. I don't know why I ever doubt myself, but I do. I doubt myself a lot because you just never know which is the right voice. You know, this might lead to a little bit of okay. There's that dumpiness. There's that dumpiness. Wish we were in a short. Wish we were in a short. That's all she wrote, guys. That's all she wrote. Man, trading doesn't have to be hard, man. You guys are 100% right. You see how Crown came back from that $500 L that he had? Came back with a good trade. You just got to hold out for these good trades. Like, this was such a no-brainer trade. 1, 2, 3. Like, basically, here's your signal. Here's where the market's going. If you can catch a trade anywhere between this candle, between where the candle closed, and up to the wick, if you can catch a trade anywhere in there, on the third candle with your stop loss up here, you're golden. I have a feeling this thing is going to tap VWAP. I have a feeling we're going to tap VWAP next. VWAP's all the way down at 600. 580. Where's VWAP? VWAP's at 593. VWAP's at 583 on the MNQ. Could get that second opportunity though. I usually catch the VWAP tap after the rally or get hustled for that 500. Man, this is looking juicy for the short. Victor saw the same thing on gold yesterday, but he didn't take it. See what's going on in here internally. Signal right here. Bang. If I wasn't clowning around, we would have been making some money. I think this move is going to come back up for a little bit. Probably not sustained too long, but hey, it could be actually it could be the higher low. We'll see. Market structure still looks very, very ugly though. Next stop, 600 again. Here's your second opportunity, right here. Gold, silver, copper, and crude all got 4K moves. Nice. Yeah, dumpiness coming in, guys. Dumpiness coming in. Unfortunately, I missed that short. I just need to, literally, I just need to make about 50 bucks. And I'll be set on that one account. Can we make 50 bucks somehow? Stocks and commodities, I'm more inclined to swing trade crypto as well, but sometimes I trade some crypto futures. Can you hold, do the margins change with crypto futures overnight? Victor, do they change overnight, the margins? Or do you just, how do you trade those? $627. Looking like it's one back in the range. Got rejected. But is it over? Do we go back in the range, guys? You trade on Binance, so it's the same margin. Okay, so it's not really a futures then. It's just kind of like crypto exchange that you use. Binance is not allowed in our country. Neither is Bybit. Yeah. CME crypto futures will be different. Do they break the 640 here? Because I just need 10 points. So is it going to break 640 or are we going to come back down? That's the question I have here. Looks like it wants to come back up. So the buy could be something, or if we get rejected again, we're coming down if we get rejected. But if it breaks out, I'm sure I can get a few points. This is a quadruple. Not exactly sure what's going to happen here. You get rejected off the point of control. Buyers are still not wanting to give up here, though. Buyers are still not wanting to give up. I think it's picking a direction. This is the moment of truth, guys. Having a hard time breaking through the point of control. Having a very hard time here. A lot of times pointing to more downside, but with this market, you just don't know. Looks like it could be. What's up, Brownfield Fund? Yeah, we do a little bit of both. I trade my own live account on here, and I also trade 20 FTT accounts right now at the moment. Today has been a little bit of a crazy stream because our trading platform went on the fritz, and I had to close out 20 trades manually from my cell phone, which I've never done before in my life. Luckily for us, our trades did go in our favor, and I did have enough time to get out of them and profit. Thank God for that. Looks like we're getting rejections off the 8-period EMA here. It's always a good thing for a short. crazy thing is, it happened to us again in the afternoon. Our trading platform, when our trading platform opened up a trade on its own, and I had to go in there and close them out manually one by one. It was crazy. Don't wish that on anyone. Buyers do not want to give up here, guys. It looks like buyers are still trying to bring this up higher. You do not want to give up, but this could be an inducement for people to go long, because remember, we got a lot of trap buyers up there at the 660, and we don't have so many traps. We don't have that many trap shorts right now. I just need 10 points here to get the one account as a trading day. Brown's asking, which platform is this? Well, the platform you see on the screen right now is TradingView, but the platform I was using, they gave us the headache, is MotiveWave, which is a rhythmic option for Mac users. I'm trading on a Mac here, so buyers are getting absorbed. Buyers are definitely getting absorbed here. But they keep trying. They keep trying. They keep trying. All right. Come on. It's in an area right now, guys, where it could reverse because there's a lot of wickiness down here. So I'm being very careful. And it's also in an area stuck between an area above us where we're bouncing off the moving averages on the 3-minute, and there are definitely sellers present there. Quite possibly an iceberg order too, because it looks like those wicks are all aligning across the top at 640. Don't want to jump too soon because this could be reversally. Could get a little reversally here. Thank you for joining us, Brown Field Fund. Okay, now sellers are getting absorbed. Sellers are getting absorbed now, guys. Could mean that we break out from here. This could break to the upside. It's a battle right now, guys. Sellers getting absorbed, buyers getting absorbed. Very wild what we're seeing. This could be it. It does not look reversally anymore. I'll take a break for lunch. Gonna be watching from the cell phone. Cool, man. Thank you for being here, Victor. I'm just trying to make $100 here on this last account to bring us into qualification. And there goes that move. There goes that move, guys. Move, that move, that move. The writing was on the wall. Short to 260 again. Incoming. There it is. There it is, guys. Okay. Man, it's so easy to see in hindsight. It's just so easy to see. Like when the move plays out, you're like, oh, yeah, of course, yeah. Like, come on now, anybody could see that. We had all this buyer absorption here, all the buyer absorption. Sellers will keep pushing it down. Buyer absorption, sellers push it down. Buyer absorption, you know, you had 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities to get short here on the 3 minute. And then we get this dump, which I was expecting. You know, we could have got the dump, or we could have gotten the pump at the same time, because, you know, we did have these wicks down here as well. But then having each candle body be lower than the previous gives you a little inclination of what's going to happen. You know, just because we're up all day doesn't mean we can't be down the rest of the day. That's what's crazy, huh? It's craziness, guys. Crazy. I'm going to rewatch this later, and I'm going to want to smack myself for that one. And I still owe you guys, I think I still owe you guys 150 push-ups. All right, let's hope I don't have to add any more to that. Every time we take a trade that goes against us, we owe 50 push-ups. Or break even, it's 50 push-ups. My buddy here is doing some pull-ups every time he takes a bad trade. 20 pull-ups. It's a good move too. I just need 10 points. I just need less than 10 points probably. So far 40 pull-ups on a day crown. Nice, man. I think so far I'm at 200 push-ups for the day. Still owe another 150, so that'd be 350. I don't know why I didn't take this short. I have to be an idiot, because if you guys see me trade for the last few days, you know that this is my short play. I think I have recency bias from yesterday, where these were happening and they weren't playing out because it was just bullish. You know, like it happened here, like I was getting the signal and it went bullish. But you got the signal here because this candle went massively green. So these were all red. Could have got in at any point there and made a couple of dollars. All hindsight though. All hindsight. What's up, Abundance Protocol? Wait, can you say that again? Your discipline, how many push-ups, pull-ups, for what? Okay, so what we're doing here, what my idea has always been, in order to keep myself disciplined to not overtrade, I started this about a month ago, where for every trade I took, I was doing 20 push-ups. And at that point, I was way over trading. So one day I ended up doing 720 push-ups because I was trading like a true degenerate, just trading for every little thing I saw. I mean, some days it would work out for me. I'd be up massively, but some days it would worked against me big time. So that actually really helped, because the next day after that, I only took like a few trades. I only took 3 trades. And then I said to myself, well, all right, if I'm going to be more responsible with my trading, then I'm going to do 50 for every trade I take. So that's kept me at bay, but I stopped doing it the last week or so that I've been trading, because I've been on here with you guys. So today I started it up again with a couple of the guys here, where we do, I'm doing 50 push-ups for every trade that I lose or breaks even. So far today we're at 200. I owe another 150. A couple of the guys here are doing some, something similar. So feel free, guys, to do something similar. I think it'll keep you mentally in the game to not overtrade. It'll keep your blood circulating too, and get more oxygen to your brain while you're trading. Because when you're trading, you're sitting for so long, you get lethargic and you kind of just stop paying attention to things. So it kind of like snaps you out of it and brings you back into perspective. I think it's a good thing. We could get a bounce off of the VWAP right now, or we could get a bounce. There's quite a difference between the VWAP on the Nasdaq as there is on the micro. It's like a 20-point difference. We could be getting a little pop here. Thinking maybe we get the pop at the bottom of this channel. Could be 575. I just need 10 points to bring that one account to count as a day of trading. I have to make at least $125 on each account for it to count. I thought it was 250. It's actually 125. So we'll see. Let's see what happens here, guys. I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute, see if I can see anything. I gotta find a better way to trade this motive wave account instead of always having to hide it and then bring it into line of sight. So Crown says, just remember, if it goes negative and then hits positive, no need to do anything. Don't know what that means. I don't know what you mean by that, bud. This could get a little bit of a bounce. I'm looking to just get 10 points on a bounce. We'll see if we get the bounce off of 575. I'm hoping we do. See, I'm gonna try to read that because I just need 10 points on this. No push-ups or pull-ups or whatever. Yeah, but what happens? So if it goes into the red, but then it goes positive. Yeah, but then if you end up winning the trade, there's no need to do anything. Yeah, if you win the trade. But if you get stopped out or you lose the trade, then we still got to hit them. That's what I think you mean. I just need 10 points. I'm going to find 10 points. Holding like Rafa. Yeah, I'm gonna hold like Rafa from now on, man. No more sell button. No more flat and all. Wow, this market's dumping. Dumping, guys. Oh, if we would have had some mental fortitude to hold on, this would have made for a beautiful short, man. And right now, we just need a 10-point little breather. Should we go along for the dump ride, or should we get 10 points on the bounce? Silver went against me at first, then ran for a G. Oh, okay. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Of course. If it goes against you, that's not a loss. That's actually showing that you got some balls. That's definitely not a loss. That's actually better than a win. That shows that you actually have some balls. Okay, we don't have any recovery so far, guys, at all. Well, maybe now. Maybe I spoke too soon. Maybe I spoke too soon. I just need 10 points. So I'm going to hopefully win this trade. If not, then I lose 10 points. Can you give me 10 points? I'm gonna go to break even on it. Give me 10 points. God damn it, we got it, guys. Good day of trading, gentlemen. Good day of trading. Good day of trading, guys. Good day of trading. Just want to make sure we don't have any positions open right now. Just want to make sure we don't have anything open, because God forbid there's something open, I will literally lose my mind, because it's been one of those days. So I'm just checking random accounts just to make sure we're out on everything. We have no positions right now. Let me check. Everything is copacetic. Nothing's open. Okay. Nothing's open. All right. Oh, touche, guys. Touche. Yeah, I'll even send one here. Look at my takeaway above in case you didn't read. Hey, Victor, sorry about that, buddy. And actually, it starts to slope down with the AMAs, so sellers are winning. As you can see, one possible reading of the last anchored VWAP is like, okay, we break to the downside, and we're not being able to immediately reject. Actually, we can even push back higher. Okay, so let me see what you're saying. bum, bum, bum. What you won't do for love. Okay, so we're on the 1 minute right now. So we got this anchored VWAP from the daily open. Is that the one you're referring to? I mean, I would love to have this short and just rode this thing down because this was a short signal. And I'm excited that I'm seeing these now, even if I didn't take them, because I know for next time, we're loading the boat, guys, and we're going to ride that down. So, okay, so we got the VWAP. The bottom, there's a VWAP from the day open. And from the market open from 9 to 9:30. And it's sloping down and it keeps getting rejected off of it. We even got this red candle here. We kept trying to touch it. And even the EMAs are sloping down and just going down. We keep trying to touch it. And then that's when the floor fell out. And then bam, you got that. So I think that's what you're referring to, bud. Yeah, it was written all over. Let me look at the 3 minute. The 3 minutes probably even better. So we keep trying to tap it. Keep coming into it. Keep getting rejected. Keeps going sloping lower. VWAP's even sloping lower. Slightly. But then bang, there we go. So these were my signals here. I didn't take them because I'm a chicken. It's like, this is what I wait for all day, and I don't take that. Good news is that we are green across the board. One day I want to be like Rafa. I want to be like Rafa. I think you anchored them from previous bottom. Look at my takeaway. I anchored the VWAP here from the previous bottom. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. Yeah, I anchored it from the previous bottom, not from the daily open. The daily open wasn't doing me any justice. So yeah, you're right. Sorry, I forgot about that. The daily open was all the way down there. So yeah, I anchored it from here, and it really did help the thesis. It helped make the decision. So good call on that, Victor. Good job, brother. Good job on that, and good trading today, guys. Good trading today. We are green across the board, and let's tally up. Let's tally up what we did today. Every one of these suckers is a win. 285 plus 330 plus 250 plus 250 plus 235 plus 210 plus 280 plus 260 275 plus. Okay, guys, so for today we made $6,925, and on Webull we were able to walk away with $42, guys. 42 smackers. Look at that. That's better than losing 600 like we did yesterday. Not bad at all. This looks a bit reversally. This could be something. Could be a reversal here. Yeah, so not too bad, guys. Almost 7 grand on the day. Wasn't expecting, to be honest, wasn't expecting that. Well, it kind of was. If I would have made 400 on each account, that was my target. We did 8 grand. So we're about a G short, but yeah, guys, we'll take it. We'll take it because it's been literally like a nightmare today with all the issues we've had with our rhythmic connection and our motive wave platform. We'll take it. Right now it looks like we could be getting a couple bucks. The buyer's getting absorbed a little bit. So let's take a quick little scalp. Maybe we make a couple bucks here. Yeah, no. If not, we lose a couple bucks here. It would be just for fun, just to say goodbye. Say goodbye to the market. And I think I'll probably take it early too, if anything. Let's see. It looks like the market's still not strong enough. Maybe you may want a little bit more downside still. Should we let it ride like Rafa? Let's let it ride like Rafa. Let's let it ride. Time to eat because this later choppiness gives me headache. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Nice. Yeah, we had a couple pretty good days this week. We just took an L on that one there though, so that's 20 bucks down the drain. So we'll leave it at that. 24 bucks on the day. It looked pretty good. It was worth the attempt. But it looks like we're coming back down to get some late longs and maybe come up. Let's see if that's what's going to happen here. Could be making that second attempt. Second attempt at this level. If we lose this level, then yeah, we're done. I think I'll try it again now. Maybe we're just trying to catch falling knives here. It could be what's happening. We're catching these falling knives. Okay. We'll let it ride. We'll let it ride. Come on, buyers. I know you got it in you. Yeah, no. This market still ain't strong enough. So Crown's thinking that this is going to go down to 444. I'm thinking this could possibly pop, Crown. I'm thinking it could possibly pop because it's got everybody faked out right now. I'm going to try it again. It's because I'm a complete idiot. It's probably going to go against me again. If it goes against me this time, I'm done. I don't want to be red for the day. I really do think it's going to go up, though. Because everyone's bearish right now. And if I look here, I can probably spot some trap shorts. Especially on this last move. Yeah, a ton of trap shorts here. A ton of them. Right now, the buying pressure should kick in because there's a ton of trap shorts. Look at this whole thing is trap shorts. I'll just let it ride. Let it ride like Rafa. Careful with your shorts, Crown. You may want to look at a short possibly at the top of the range, or maybe at 640 again if we get there, or maybe even off the VWAP if we have a little bit of problems there. I want this thing to rocket. I don't know if we'll get it though. I want this thing to touch the VWAP before I go to break even because we have a ton of trap shorts, and I don't think these shorts should. Yeah, this short was nice if you caught it, Animal. That's what I'm hoping for. 540, a possible target to the downside still. Yeah, I'm sure it is. But I think we got a little pop, a little poppy pop. Maybe a little poppy pop because we have a lot of trap shorts right now. Just a little one. Maybe we get a little pop up to VWAP even. I'll go to break even on it. May not be getting it though. May not be getting it. May not be getting it, guys. You know I love fighting a trend. That's my middle name. Trend fighter. Yeah, it's looking weak. Looking weak. It's looking weak. We just need a little one. I just like the double dip. I like the double dip aspect of it. The double dip aspect of it is what really turned me on here. That we did this, we retraced it, grabbed any imbalances from here, trapped some more shorts, and then possibly now we come up. Oh, come on. All right. No bueno. No bueno. No bueno. Yeah, Victor. I'm definitely aware. And we'll close the day up with $4 if that's what we have. $2 on the day, guys. $2 on a day. Good trade. And now it's going to go up 500 points. I'm telling you guys, I smell this reversal. I do. I smell this reversal from here. Maybe not. But I do smell a reversal because there's a ton of trap shorts in here. Maybe they're not done trapping the longs yet. But usually what I like to do is trap either party and then come back up and squeeze them, even if it's momentarily. But right now there's no strength in this move back up. I'm glad you guys did not take that long with me. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Thank you so much, guys. Let's see what we got here. Victor thinks we got 540. Victor sees me get very, Victor yesterday, he saw me get very degenerate, like towards the end of the day. I think I get bored and I do. Oh, wait, I just took 2 L's. Shit, forgot about that. I just took 2 L's, just messing around. I just took 2 L's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I owe you guys 250 push-ups. Holy moly. All right, 250. All right, I'm gonna start working on those now. Got 250 push-ups. I'll give you guys 50 right now. Break it down to 200. No, Victor. I was kidding too, dude. But I did kind of get a little anxious yesterday. I started trading a little bit, over trading, I should say. But that was just me messing around. Shouldn't have done that anyway. It builds bad habits. All right, now you want to give us the reversal because now you trapped more shorts. Now you want to give us this reversal, I'm thinking. No, I think I was too early to that reversal, guys. Let me give you guys 50 push-ups before I take another trade. All right, another 50. Another 50. Sellers are getting absorbed here. So I only owe you 200 more push-ups. Only owe you guys 200 more. Not bad. Not bad at all. Plenty of trap shorts here. Plenty of them. In case you guys wanted to keep track. 581 here, 396, 557. Oh man, it's still going. Let's look if we got to correct any imbalances. Well, we got imbalances all the way up. We've got imbalances all the way up. I mean, all the way down. This whole thing was imbalanced. Let's see. Meanwhile, we'll send this long. All right. These imbalances have been corrected. Yeah, majority of them have been corrected. There's a little bit down here. But not really much. Maybe not worth coming back for. Can't catch a break, guys, with these break evens. I'm telling you guys, this is the reversal. At least for a little bit, not for long. That break even counts as a trade. trying to hold. That's for sure. Buyer's getting absorbed. Buyer's getting absorbed, seller's getting absorbed. Both getting absorbed. So much absorption here. It's like a big roll of bounty. I'm telling you, man. I've seen this a million times. Gets everybody very bearish here. Look, 1,000 shorts here, guys. There's 1,000 shorts here. 1,300. Huge amount of shorts in here. Holy moly, look at all these shorts. Where is the opening balance? That was a monstrous amount of shorts that just got stuck there. This could be it. 1,400 shorts just got. Holy moly. We're giving back this whole move, guys. They're giving back this whole move. Holy shnikes. 9, 8, 9:30. We're literally at the, I think this was the opening range. Holy shnikes. 10. Okay, so this market opened at 9:30 and went straight to the moon. Yeah, so our opening balance was here at 490. At 490 is where we opened. So that might be where it's going. 490. We're up $1 in a day. $1's a dollar. On the way to 21. Let's go. Target hit, animal. I think you're in a short. Nice job, man. Ooh, your target was 515. Good for you, man. You probably cleaned up. You probably cleaned up, animal. But for now, it's trying to hold the 540. Just throwing out crazy. Playing Q. 3/4 of the way to open. Animal playground, let's go. Animal did good, man. Nice. On the way to 21. I just like fighting the trend, man. I don't know what the hell's wrong with me. And I didn't hop on this train after it kicked me off earlier. Yeah, dude. Who you telling, man? We had these signals up here. We had these signals even earlier on up here. Where are we? We had the signal. Yeah, well, we had these signals here, but I know we had one earlier. I think that was it. Well, we had this one here. This is the signal we had here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a absorption here, buyer absorption. Bang. Led everything. Led this whole move. Had more buyer absorption here. So led that whole dump. And led to all that. And led to all this craziness. Wow. Dude, I'm telling you, sellers really stepped in here, though. I just want to show you guys. Sellers really kicked in. 13, almost 1,400 contracts right here. To the downside. Did something just happen? Did the news just come out or something? Let's see if there's any news. Any late breaking news? The bond is on fire. 10 minutes ago? The bond is on fire. Made the bond. We had a bond auction. The bond market is on fire. Heading to U.S. elections, the bond market's on fire. Yields are selling off. The term premium is back in positive territory. Let's look at the bonds. Okay. I mean, I don't think it's that. Something happened today, though. What's Tesla doing? Giving everything back? No, Tesla's still up 2% on the day. Great day. I'm done trading and will enjoy the weekend. Passed my eval today. Did you pass your eval on that trade, or did you was that a trade that you had that you were making some money on? Good job, Animal. You're a beast. I had a really good friend named Animal. Well, his name wasn't Animal, but that was his nickname that we gave him. And yeah, really cool guy. Used to be one of my barbers when I owned a barbershop. And a good friend too besides that. Okay. Tesla looked like it's evening out. Nvidia is dumping. Apple, same thing. Dumpy. That's a buyer absorption up here. Buyer absorption here. Oil's up 2% on the day. Dollar is almost flat. ES is trading under the daily open. Yeah, the top was definitely big distribution for sure. Yeah, S&P is doing worse. S&P is already under the daily open. So could that be the fate that the NQ will have as well? Man, the delay that you guys have right now, I don't know why it's giving us this delay, but it's retarded. I'm going to figure out why my delay is so bad. Not right now, but for next Monday. For Monday. Okay. We're getting that bounce on 491. I'm not sure if that was a daily open. So we just touched the 21 on the 60 minute on the 1 hour. We also just tapped the daily not the daily open, but the opening balance. We just tapped the opening balance, which is crazy how it actually tapped like that. And then we're coming up. Tap the opening balance, and you said we tapped the 21. Yeah, we did. Sure did tap the 21, and we tapped the opening balance. Okay. It's already up 50 points. 40 points, 50 points. I'm looking here for my cell phone. No trust in this reaction. Sure, plenty of trap people in here though. Okay. All right, let me say this much. Not too many trap people in here. Not too many trap people in here. We actually even have some buyers in here. So, yeah, I don't trust it. I don't trust it. And the longer I look at it, the more likely I am to get in a trade. So let me stop. 1, 2. So I owe you guys 200 more push-ups. I think that's what I owe. So I got my daughters here with me today, guys. So I'm going to go spend some time with them. Thank you so much for being with me today. If you're new here, hit the notification bell so you can be alerted for next Monday when we go live again in the morning. And I'll probably drop a video over the weekend too on something. We'll figure it out. So thank you for being here, guys. Take care. Stay profitable. Do all that good stuff. Don't be a degenerate like me. All right, brother. Take care, guys.